Don't fall, man. Whoa. Wheels. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's wishful thinking there, Parker. Wall of Honor. Solemn mercy like rain. I would almost think shoes, but that doesn't make any sense. This classroom? Oh. Whoa. That carpet feels weird. Yeah, kids ruin everything. Whoa. Whoa. I don't want to be on that floor. That smells nice and musty. Mm. Oh, showers. Speaking of things that are gross and moist. Oh. Oh, spiders everywhere. Oh. Yeah, I do too. It's a turlet. It's a turlet. Did you wash? Oh, dude. Hold on. Hold on. Sloppy Joes. I made them real sloppy for you. Lunch lady land. Look at this. What? I don't know what that is. We got the kitchen. Oh, this looks like the kitchen from Watchmen. Have you ever seen Watchmen? Oh, there's this guy and he's waiting in the cafeteria line, right? And somebody notices him and is like, "Oh, I know you. You're Rorschach. You're famous. I'm kind of famous too. Let me give you my autograph." He tries to pull out a knife, and Rorschach looks. He sees a fryer. He elbows out the glass. He picks up a lunch tray and blocks the knife. Then he grabs the French fries and he throws the grease on the guy's face. The guy, and then Rorschach turns to everybody. He's like, "You idiots haven't figured it out. I'm not in here with you. You're in here with me." A Teutonic Knight. Have a picture writing. Oh, I thought that was a pig. It looks exactly like a pig. Circuit board or something. I think that's an old router. Somebody did not want people going up those steps. Mhm. Fifth grade math. You. Oh, that's kind of neat. Football plays. Look at that. It's coach's playbook. Oh, look, no chalkboard can be complete without a penis drawn on it. Chicken Little. Ah, another derlit. I don't know what that is, and kind of want to know. Oh, look, Shift to crouch. Oh. They really, really screwed with this place. Yeah, I don't. Wow, there's glass everywhere. Shit. This- Yeah, this was their computer lab. Was. Man. I can't really film that, but they put it backwards and it's a Buddhist symbol. So they're basically saying they're down with the Buddha. It's supposed to go to the. Mhm. Yeah. Yeah. Rocks. I think those are peanuts. Maybe they are rocks. I don't remember seeing that last time. Hmm. Centennial challenges. Paul McCready. Yo, this is like something a dictator would like have in his like office. Oh wow, this place is haunted, Parker. Tastier and non-tastier traits. Very strange. I am a child. Yeah, he's basically saying I am a kid. Broccoli man. Ooh, lots of webs. Oh, I don't like this. Oh, I can't believe I'm an arachnophobe and an explorer. Televisor. This is not a classmate. Yeah, it doesn't look like what's in the picture. What? Bro, look. Yeah, someone started. Jesus Christ. Dear hi, other urban explorers. What in the hell is that? Oh. Do 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 do. Oh. An intercom. Yep. Oh, dude, it works. Oh, no, no. Oh my God, that worked. They still got water hooked up to this place. Yo. I'm not using that drinking fountain. Okay, we're getting out of here. Okay. Motherfucker was sleeping here. Oh, it was. Yeah.